Hello everyone, welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. Today we would like to share a dal fried recipe which we love and cook so often. It is very nutritious and delicious everyday food. It goes so well together with vegetables masala. Click the I button above for the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 4 small tomatoes, red lentils and chana dal mix, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of oil, grated ginger, chopped garlic, turmeric and dal masala, cumin seeds, salt to taste, handful of coriander. You can find all ingredients in the description below. Let's begin. Add 1 liter of water into your pressure cooker or one pot and add salt, 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add lentils and mix everything well. Make pressure cooker setting for 20 minutes and make sure you follow the instructions of your pressure cooker. While the lentils are cooking, we will prepare the tadka. Into a preheated pan, add oil and ghee. Once oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then add ginger, garlic, mix for a few seconds. Then add onions. Add salt and fry onions for about 3 to 5 minutes until soft. Then add turmeric and dal masala. Mix well. If you don't have dal masala, don't worry, this is optional. Then add chopped tomatoes, mix and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes until tomatoes melt. Lastly, add some fresh coriander. And now our lentils are cooked and we will blend it with our hand blender. Now we will add lentils into the tadka and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Now it's ready, let's plate it up. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the Good Mix Kitchen for more recipes. Thank you.